walk and talk video recorded on my smart glasses. So I thought I'd shoot this video to show you a walk and talk with a pair of smart glasses which you can use to show your point of view when you want to shoot content. Now if you're not already using smart glasses to record your content, it's something you might want to start using. Now I'm making available resale rights to a brand new set of video products that I've created showing the smart glasses that I've bought over the last month. Budget pairs of smart glasses that you can get for under £50 that can record point of view content, have good audio, and quite simply allow you to create content on the fly. So I decided to make resale rights available to this product so people can actually benefit from learning the information, but they can also cash in from it. And I just thought it's something I would do. Now I'm not giving master resale rights because that means that somebody can pass on the rights to your product. I've spent a hell of a lot of time and money creating these videos, so I'm not about to give away master resale rights. I'm actually a trademark owner and I wouldn't do that for something that's got my trademark on it. Now if you want to get resale rights to be able to sell retail the video product that I've created and use all my videos that I've produced showing how to use the smart glasses, showing different examples of the smart glasses in use, then quite simply you can get resale rights to be able to retail that product as your very own and keep 100% of the profits. So if you want more information, check out the description. But the other thing is I've only made available 10 licenses to be able to get the resale rights to this product, and you have to have purchased it retail first.